beautiful princesses live there happily. They are Princess Magic with magical powers, Princess Fairy with a pair of beautiful wings, Princess Mermaid who loves singing, and Princess Longhair who loves candies. The princesses love going to the dance parties in style. Those dance parties are much anticipated. Let's check them out.
Hi! Amelia, which dance party should I go?
Magic Dance Party.
Magic Dance Party? That's my home court, Amelia.
Princess Magic has rough skin. She needs to apply a facial mask. Let's make a flower facial mask. Add some milk to get better skin. Stir to mix the flowers and milk. Slice a cucumber for eye masks. Wow, the skin is getting much better. Let's put on makeup. Put a beautiful pattern on her face. Help the princess put on earrings. You don't have enough hearts. Match the makeup with a necklace to be more fabulous. Amazing! What a beautiful look! A magic crown is required for the magic dance party. Add beautiful gems to the crown. You don't have enough hearts. Match the crown with a gorgeous dress. Choose a nice-looking hem of the dress. Add sleeves to make the dress look even prettier. It's so gorgeous! Which pet would you like to bring to the dance party?
Amelia, I am going to be glamorous at the magic dance party.
The princesses are coming. Let's decorate the magic beautiful glass windows for the dance party. Crystal lights will make the dancing floor more glittering. Let's pick some pretty little butterflies for the stage. Wow, the dance party starts! Let's go dancing! Let's take 2 photos for memory. This dance party is awesome! Let's check out the nice pictures we have taken.